Stop. And the Cadillac CT5 24s just squeezed on there with the Cadillac floating caps, squeezed in there. Big ass brakes on there, coast to coast. Sitting beautiful.
Listen, just dropped the latch. I ain't had it but a couple days. I came straight down and made the drive to coast. You see me? Up to my tucking 20 poles, clean as up. I'm happy.
We appreciate you, fam. Tommy Dre, non-stop. What's up, buddy?
You already know I'm non-stop, no break.
Non-stop, no Dre. You like the car?
Non-stop, no break.
Oh, non-stop, no break. My bad. You like the car?
Man, it's beautiful. Look at it. If you want something done, come here. And we got it. Look at it. Gold rim.
We appreciate you, brother. Delta 88, clean 24-inch spokes, super clean.
Coast to coast, where loyalty gets you 16-hour lifers over here.
That's right, baby. I'm here today. I'm thankful. I'm blessed. Jeremy, everybody hooked me up at Coast to Coast. I've been doing this for a while. Came here for 16 hours, 16-hour drive. Come on now. I did this on my own. I couldn't wait to come here. They always took care of me. Loyalty is key. Lorena Champ, baby. They can't stop me, baby. They can't stop me, baby.
16 hours, baby. Come on.
Hours, baby.
There we go. Hey.
24 by 12 axe wheel, 35-inch tire, small little lift kit, Silverado 1500, sitting beautiful, coast to coast customs. $2026, that new Tundra on those TIS.
What's going on, guys? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I have a beautiful 1977 Cadillac behind me. Super clean, all original. That's the original paint. That's the original interior. The guy said, listen, I want 24-inch chrome Dayton's staggered. I said, no problem, we got you, but I want to ride like factory. I want to look beautiful, but I want all the bells and whistles. Upper control arms, lower control arms, coilovers, disc brake conversion on this car, all the way over here. Rear end shortened, new gears, new posi. We did everything on this car underneath the car, but we kept the car original looking. And this car is beautiful with the chrome Dayton's on there. Got the mayonnaise and mustard stripes on there. Listen, white on white Cadillac, and yes, it is for sale. You see it right there? It is for sale. You can DM us, we'll talk to you about it, and we'll give you guys information. Coast to Coast Customs, always doing something different. Listen, y'all gotta stay in your lane, bro. Stay in your lane. Peace.
6s on the Volkswagen, wrap purple, the gold Forgiatos, ECL, Ventosos, Coast to Coast Customs, just looking beautiful. Is Chrome making a comeback? Chrome's making a comeback. Got a little Range Rover Velar action, floating caps, Madison Frost. Woo. Got those Azads here at Coast to Coast Customs. Got those mesh style Azads with a chrome lip. 22s, 265, 35, 22s. Clean, classy.
Denali, 26 Giovanna's, sorry, Gianelli's.
on, man? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I'm up in Jacksonville, and I'm telling you guys, this Honda Accord is fire, man. My boy did some 22s on there. This car is color combination, super clean, looks great. Listen, I appreciate the business, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, man.
Pleasure meeting you. Had to come down to see him. I know he was here, so I came to show up to see him and let him know I appreciate the customer service and the outcome.
There you go, man. There you have it, man. Coast to Coast Customs. But you know what time it is, baby. When it's gone, it's gone.
Got a great deal here today. Came all the way from Orange Park. Made the deal in and out, quick and easy.
What's going on, man? It's your boy Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I'm up in Jacksonville, and I'm telling you guys, when I tell you about stay in your lane, man, this guy created his lane again. Look at this sexy Cadillac, man. Insane. You know gas prices are crazy right now. Go EV. The hell with the gas, man. Now we're plugging everything in. This thing's a beast. 24-inch Amatis on here, custom painted. This blue finish in here to match that color. It's just sexy. Amati Forge. You guys are doing your things. This car is amazing. You know what time it is? Always at Coast to Coast Customs. When the wheels are done, they're done.
Who took care of you at? Where we at?
I'm at Fort Lauderdale.
Nice off-road tires. Give that new look. Little Bentayga on some 24-inch Forgiatos. Got the yellow with the yellow stitching.
All right, man, it's your boy Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and this is the first set in the world, I guarantee it, first set in the world of this kind of spinner. If you know Forgiatos, and you've been rocking with Forgiatos, and you've been rocking with Coast to Coast for 20 years, you remember this wheel. But we made it into a spinner now, man. Y'all know what time it is. When you ain't spinning, you ain't winning. Coast to Coast, baby. Peace.